All right, how's it going, everybody? This is one of the early videos of the new channel called Coinhub, and one of the purposes of this video is to introduce an exchange or a broker of cryptocurrency that's gaining popularity in Asia, China, Hong Kong, and so forth. The name of it is called Binance. It's Binance, Binance.com. So it's very easy to sign up. Let me show you. Just like create an account, and you just enter your email, your password, and there's just do some authentication that you're like a real person, and then you just log in. All right. Going back. Binance been in the game for a while already. It provides a very wide range of trading pairs, such as since they're based in China, Asia, they can do NEO, which is affiliated with the government of China, and can trade NEO BTC. That's not bad. Ethereum BTC, the traditional ones that you expect. Now they even have support Bitcoin Cash. IOTA, that's not bad. And many, many more, even Ripple, EOS. They do have their own coin called Binance Coin, which is BNB. So that's not bad. So the traditional stuff that you expect and even more is provided is a trading exchange of Binance. Alright, that's pretty cool. This is the wide-ranging BTC markets. Binance markets, their own coin. You see it right here as well. It's a little bit slower again. Have BAT, Ethereum, which is not bad. Look at that. Um, a lot of depth in the exchange for Ethereum with Binance. So it's pretty interesting. They do provide the trading capability through the web browser. This is how it is, how it looks with the trading platform. That's web based, where they list all the depth of the market in almost like a level 2 like display on the left side. Go and do the candlesticks, and you can have hourly, 12 hours, and days like that. And then you see all these major popular pairs on the right side, and it's selected for BTC, so you can look up the range like Ethereum to BTC like that, and then it will load and update the web browser client, and it loads pretty quickly, which is not bad. And this window right here, it shows the historical excuse me, historical trade exchanges, and you can enter your orders right here, limit orders, market orders, and so forth. Yeah, this is pretty interesting. You can also tag your favorites like that, or look for something that you want, such as the LTC, and see what kind of pairs do they have, like so. Binance has a lab section, labs.binance.com, where they're providing innovative entrepreneurs funding through the ICO project and so forth like that. So here's the stuff, and you can apply for it through labsbinance.com. Alright, going to Binance. Binance has a lot of popularity in Asia. So yeah, so that's that. Look at other like internet entries. There's some news on Binance. Life after Binance make a comment on the exchange ban. So they're moving their operations into Hong Kong. So like I mentioned before, through the labs.binance.com, they have the Gifto inaugural ICO project. Here are the news and so forth like that. The latest one called Black Block Mansion. They also add Monero and Dash in recent news. And so forth like that. So we look at the other third-party websites regarding Binance. They list out their website, their social media, Twitter, and listed as exchange. And this is, like I mentioned, I showed just previously, this is the depth and the trading pairs of their market access. They listed out NEO because they're based in China and in Hong Kong, and have an affiliation with NEO. So that's why their volume is the highest for NEO. NEO is like a Asian currency with affiliation with the government. So other things like nodes, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Bitcoin Cash, and many, many more. So forth like that. Very large market. As you can see right here in the listing. All right. Look at the social media of Binance on Twitter. Their Twitter handle is at Binance_2017. All right. So they're even starting Binance trading competition. So if you're interested in learning how to trade or so forth like that, they're having a competition right now. The recent competition of the DLT trading. So that's that. And they also listed like GXS, another coin. Now they're securing with security. They're very good with security so far, where you can use two-factor authentication, including Google Authenticator, where you download a mobile app to enter your temporary access code to log in. Okay, they also do giveaways to promote their services with the trading competition. And they're very responsive on the hard fork of Bitcoin, which happened many, many times, like with Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Go, and Segway 2X, and they're very responsive. All right. They're having conferences, very engaged with their customers and the audience and social media, and so forth like that. All right, let's look on to cryptocompare.com to see the implementation information of Binance. They are listing the pairs and volume through the API, which is very good. They have an API which is feeding these information right now. All right, that's the description here. It says capable of processing 1.4 orders per second, 1.4 million orders per second, and has support multiple languages in Chinese, English, Korean, Japanese. It has all the major coins with the 0.1% trading fee. So they do have some issues with Google Authenticator. So if you use your phone and doesn't travel internationally, you should use SMS. But if you do travel a lot, I would recommend using Google Authenticator, which is a mobile app that you can install to provide periodic updates on login, temporary login codes. It's temporary, that's why it provides security. All right, this is mentioning Chinese government shutting down exchanges, but I wouldn't be concerned about that because the Chinese government do realize now that they want to keep such a big economy within the country, um, because it's very helpful to future development and business development inside China. All right, so this is the description of some reviews. Some reviews. 0.05% fee per trade looks more faster than Bittrex. Um, yes, like I always say, you don't have to commit totality of your assets to Binance, but I would suggest that you could tiptoe in step by step and just try it out with small asset transfers into the exchange, and just try it out yourself to test the quality of service, the speed of service, and and the ability to fund and withdraw your assets and so forth like that with small amounts, and then tiptoe in a little bit more and more as you gain more trust with the exchange. They do have some criticisms. Um, you know, they're still early and a lot of things are evolving. So forth like that. There are good and bad comments as you see, and so I do recommend to do your own due diligence and check it out. Do your own research like I'm showing you right now. And for myself, I do recommend Binance a little bit. Like I just mentioned, that you should try it out step by step to gain your trust and familiarity with the exchange and interface and so forth like that. This is the Reddit. Okay. And this is the mobile app listing on Google Play Store. One-stop service to users of digital currency industry. They did update it. Last update November 5th, 2017. Alright, they do have substantial downloads. With a rating of 3.9, that's not bad. Yes, so pretty much this is the my review, early video of Binance. Overall, I do recommend it, and I tried it myself. Um, and as I mentioned previously, do your due diligence, and you shouldn't like put all your assets immediately. Where I think you should just slowly move your assets into Binance if you're interested. So I do have a link or referral below if you're interested. And happy trading. And do provide some comments and so forth like that. as I expand the channel of Coinhub. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention.